We got candy.
Yeah, as a prasad. So I have not experienced this in my life.
So this museum has one of the biggest sword on the other side of Punjab. This is exactly like village Punjab. Hi guys, welcome back to Unfiltered Stories. If you watched our last video, you know we are in Amritsar, and today morning we are going to Golden Temple, and it's in walkable distance from our hotel. We took around 2 hours to cover Golden Temple. Initially when we went, we were recording inside the temple, but then our guard came and told us recording is not allowed, only photography is allowed.
We didn't know what to expect inside this temple because we have never visited Gurudwara earlier. So we were little confused where to go, what to do, what is the rituals over here. Then we asked our fellow travelers over here, they told us what we can do. So there are counters which provide tokens for Kada Prasad. So initially we thought we can buy this prasad and then go inside and offer, but that is not the system over here. You have to buy the prasad and give it to one more counter from where they will give some amount of prasad for yourself.
Next we went to Langar service. That is my favorite part. So the food here was so tasty. I can't express in words. It is so tasty. I was not expecting that kind of food. So once you finish your food, they'll not let you wash your own plates and spoons. Instead they'll collect it and it goes to the service area where they wash it. And here comes the part. So you can volunteer yourself and spend some hours. So me and I spent around 30 minutes in that room washing vessels and helping each other. It's so organized, like there is nobody like a manager or something like that. There is no supervisors, but it still goes very smoothly. I got this Coke for 6 rupees. Aish doesn't like Coke, but still she drank because it is 6 rupees. We came back from Golden Temple. Now we are on the way to a fort and a Wagah border mainly.
Also, we have hired a cab for roaming inside the city because we were staying close to Amritsar temple and the travel would be difficult for us.
They'll cover 3-4 places based on your needs. They'll charge you around anywhere between 800 to 1200. We are in front of
Govindgarh Fort, and sadly it is closed due to COVID.
Yes, we have chosen a wrong day again.
On the way to Wagah border, there was one small temple which our driver recommended us to visit. So we came here.
It's called Vaishnavi Devi Temple. One thing unique here is we got candy.
Yeah, as a prasad. So I have not experienced this in my life.
Yeah, this is the first time.
Yeah, so we don't know what is the significance or why they gave us this candy. If you guys have any idea about it, please drop some comment and enlighten us about this. At Punjab State's War Heroes Memorial and Museum. This falls on the way to Atari border. So we just took a pit stop over here to see this museum. Anyways, the fort was closed, so we thought we'll cover this museum at least.
So this museum has one of the biggest sword. The sword has a height of 45 meters and it weighs at 54 tons. So it is the biggest sword ever made. So if you are in Amritsar, do visit this. This is on the way to Wagah border and you will find all the details regarding Kargil war, the civilization which was there in India, and many emperors who ruled India. We have reached Wagah border. नहीं
यार भाई कुछ नहीं होता, इंडिया का फ्लैग है, वो नहीं करना आपकी यार। हमने भी आपसे कमरा पाकिस्तान ले लो, सेल्फी
दूर से आए हो सर, बॉर्डर पे इसको बनाते हैं, हेड पे बनाओ।
नहीं यार नहीं
ये तो लगा लो कंप्लीट।
We are at Atri Wagah border in Amritsar, and the environment over here is really crazy. The time you pop out from the car, the sellers over here, they come and grab you. They want to draw this Indian flag on your hands. They want to sell their caps, flag. There are so many things happening. You really get what's going on. They just pull your hand and they start drawing flag. Here right now ceremony is not happening, so they stop you 1 kilometer ahead from the border. So you can't go post this. So from here what you can see is, you can see Pakistani flag from a distance and you can see Indian flag.
So I thought we could see the border, like where the ceremony happens, right? So I thought we could see that, but they stop you 1 kilometer before that, and we respect that. It's due to COVID, and there are a lot of army men whistling and guiding you. So maybe next time we will definitely come, and we wanted to experience this ceremony which happens at the border.
Look where we are. We are in farm in Amritsar, Punjab. It was my childhood dream to always visit some farm in Punjab, and today it has come true. I'm so excited to be here. I can see all this wheat farm. It's a different positive vibe. I'm really enjoying this. I just want to run on these farms and not fall this time.
White House is so pretty and it's so huge. These animals, like, it is worth it. We came here, we did not get to see the ceremony, but we saw the other side of Punjab. This is exactly like village Punjab. This is how we spent our day in Amritsar, Punjab. We visited 5 places and had an amazing experience at this farm. If you're coming to Amritsar, you can consider visiting these places. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Unfiltered Stories. Until next time, take care, bye bye.